This is the office. It is located at the first floor and it is clearly labeled the office. And it has a double door. This part of the school is important because it is there for the staff to work, and it is also used for welcoming new guests and children.
There are also a lot of people that work here. For example, Miss Sue or Mr. Ian. There are about 7 people that work in the office. All of the people work hard every day.
The office was built in with the school. When the school was first created, there have been new teachers and staff in our office, but some left, which was sad. For example, Miss Sally, who was one of our first head teachers to come to our wonderful school.
It has been a pleasure seeing you. Have watched our virtual tower. Thank you for your attention, and Tony and I will see you next time.